Well, hello YouTube, back again for another Spannering, the Vespa video. This time it's to do the coolant, so just flush out the old and in with the new, making sure that the air's out and the fan comes back on. It's a quick job. Oh no, I've just jinxed myself. No, it's a quick job. So we'll just whiz through this, nice and easy job for you to do anytime. And we'll just crack on with it. I told you it was easy. Out with the pink and in with the green. Made sure the air was free. Made sure there was just enough in the thing, not too full on the tank. And yes, I showed you a little thing I do, which is carry a couple of small bottles, one with oil and one with what was the pink coolant, but now is the green. And I carry that in just under the seat there with a small toolbox, small tool kit, as it were, just in case. You never know when you're out and about. So hopefully that's worked for you. Let me know below. Do subscribe and all the other thumb stuff and everything else that's nice. And see you in the next one, which I think will either be the big job with the rollers and the belt and everything else, or spraying behind here. Anyway, enough waffling. Thank you so much. Keep safe, ride well, and see you again soon.